Welcome back to Cromwell Belden Public Library's Virtual Writers Workshop. It is week 5. So if you're here watching the video, that means you missed out on Thursday's live class, but I'm glad you could show up any which way you could. All right, week 5. We don't have a theme. I'm going to give you sentences for prompts so you can complete full stories, but I'm going to challenge you. Can you figure out which book these sentences are from? So make comments if you can figure it out or if you just want to throw out a guess. And these sentences happen to come from one of my favorite stories in a genre that I like to write in. So there's your challenge. All right, writing prompt number 1. You've got 10 or 15 minutes. Here's the sentence. He smiled widely and just a fraction too late, with teeth that looked like an accident in a graveyard. That's writing prompt number 1, 15 minutes, in 3, 2, 1. Number 2, start your next complete story or scene with this sentence. They did not look like brothers. You've got 10 minutes in 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 3. You have 5 minutes. Take this particular Friday, for example. 5 minutes in 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 4. Footsteps. Quiet on the stone. You have 2 minutes in 3, 2, 1. Writing prompt number 5. Your choice. Time it however you want, or maybe say, oh, I have to write 2 pages. All right. He saw the feathers first. In 3, 2, 1. All right, you are done for week 5. I'm curious, make comments, see if you can guess which story all of those writing prompts came from. Don't know what I'm going to give you. Hey, I'll give you a new spiral notebook for your writing exercises if you figure it out. How about that? All right, send me some comments, see if you can figure it out. Meanwhile, I want you to continue to figure out which are your favorite stories in the genre you want to write in. All right, goal is by the end of August, you've got a couple titles that you really like, and I'll tell you what we're gonna do with them at the end of the summer. Meanwhile, sometime in August, we've got 2 Saturdays that we're meeting. I wanna have a writing marathon, okay? So we're gonna get up to an hour and a half of writing prompts. So get ready for that. And anyway, it was nice that you showed up today. I'm glad you did. Hope you're enjoying your writing. No, it's not always going to come easy. No, it's not always going to be good. But I bet you found some pretty surprising things out about yourself, your writing, and some future stories. All right, congratulations. Take care. I'll see you next week.